Hey, what's up guys? All 25 of you, thank you for coming back in. Goose, thank you for the dislike. Here's my boy Mart. We're gonna be cutting my S2000 spare hood I picked up for something like $100. Already, oops, I got some lines already drawn out. Maybe you can see it, yeah. So we're gonna cut it out and hopefully I'll video it all. I'm not that great with the angle grinder or Dremel or whatever, so I'm gonna have my uncle cut it for me. Unfortunate, I know. But here's my S2000. Wow, look how cool that is, right? I'll eventually do a video on it, but for now, as you can see, I put a Mugen style hardtop from Rockstar Garage, and I got Type Flex control masters on here, and then I got a super cold air intake, true cold air, and I have a NVIDIA catback, I think. And here's my daily car. So here's the daily 1985 Volkswagen Jetta. Yep. Alright, let's see what Mart's up to. This is, ooh, dang, dude, this is Type R? What do you got in here, man? What are you doing? What is that?
Huh? Oh, these are tie rods, bro.
Your tie rod's bad? Also, I'll show you guys my teddy bear wheels. If you want to buy them, let me know if you want to buy them. They're still for sale. 1K OEO under my stock airbox. There they are. Let me know. 14 by 5.5, 4 by 100, wrapped in Federals. Granted, we're about to get this going. Anyway, this hood is actually pretty beat. You guys, I'll flip it over in a little bit, but you can see from the inside, it's pretty beat. But I don't really care because we're gonna cut this shit up anyway, so not too worried about it looking ugly, whatever. And then hopefully I'll show you guys how you should cut it. Alright, so there's multiple ways you can do this, but I guess we're just gonna bend this shit like crazy. We cut corners and we're just gonna pull it out like that. Oh Lord. Ah! Dang, Dex, you think you can do it? Scared. Alright, here's the
keep your negative positive side battery all cool, you know?
Yep. I got ultimate battery cooling.
Intake?
Yep. Like if I move the intake,
I'll just put a 90 right here. Put a big ass filter.
Open throttle body, baby, and hope for the best. Put a chicken wire there.
Open throttle body?
Yeah. No filter, baby. Damn, look at that though. The S-Deuce. My homie over there just, hey, stop, come on, faster. Anyway, so there are different ways to, let me get the lighting right. Hopefully the autofocus on me. There's, so we're trying to figure out, well, we're not sanding it down, we're sanding it down with the grinder itself, because we're lazy. And then in a little bit, I'm gonna run the lows so I can get some mesh to cover up the skeleton. And now he puts the hand in there and loosens the VTEC solenoid. Lowe's. I'm with Mark over here and Zeno. We got this grill, this sick grill for my car. Work at Lowe's?
7 months at Lowe's.
Yeah, my bad. I should have asked one of the employees. This guy knows best right here, man. This guy was a top salesman for 7 months he was here. Were you the forklift driver too?
Yeah, I built forklift, I built pallet system.
Dang, dude, look at this guy, man.
My favorite was picking up the stones, and then the front would be super heavy, and there you go.
Just drifting that shit, dude. Come on, Lowe's specialist, where's it at, man? Anyway, as I was saying earlier, the guys at O'Reilly's near my house, they're kind of ricers, man. They're all talking about like, yeah, man, the F-Series, yeah, it's pretty cool. They made that right before the K, right? You could put the K head on top of the F-Series. I was like, I was just like, yeah, you know the whole AutoZone O'Reilly's meme. Right now we got some high heat max paint
Would you paint your
to
car
blank
pink?
my thing black.
Hell yeah, I would.
And we'll be back here in a couple days when my parts come in from the mail and we'll paint it yellow.
Like that.
Alright, after some minor problems we got it fixed again. We relined the hood. Dang, and the camera, it looks mint, dude. It looks so good. And then you get closer and you see all the Bondo on the hood. But from over here, dude, you can't even tell. Holy. You know what? I'm only gonna show you my S2000 through the camera. Look at this, dude, look.